How cute.
No. Hey. Oh. Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh, wow. It's okay. Shoot. I'm trying to think. No, I'm not gonna lie to you. No. I wouldn't know if I would take you back. Shoot.
What?
Is it? Yeah, it should. So you took the loop, right? To from northeast. You.
It's what?
South, right? And it should take you to Midway.
Oh shit.
Okay. You're welcome. Bye bye.
What happened?
What?
What happened?
Oh. I don't know. She just told me that she got off and she's at Pebble Hills. So I'm guessing she went down and got off on Pebble Hills, and then now she doesn't know either to go north or south. So she needs to go south to come down all the way down here so she can get border and get in Midway. Which is what I told her to do. Is he still asleep?
Yeah.
Let's see if he wakes up.
Oh, babe.
Did he wake up?
Yeah. You can't get off.
Where are you going? I caught you in the air. No, you're not.
Joy, Daddy, you ruined it. You ruined the... Oh. Poor baby. See if he gets on again. No. Drink water, I guess. Yeah. Look for food.
You would drink water.
Want to look for food.
You just want to get fat, don't you?
Was he standing like that?
Yes.
Kitty, so Daddy. I thought she had a GPS.
No, she map quested.
Oh.
But she's not really familiar with the area down here. Yeah, you're being lovey-dovey because you want to eat. I know you're kiss ass. That's what they are.
Really?
Real friendly when you want something.